Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe an occasion when you lost something. You should say what you lost, when and where you lost it, what you did to find it, and explain how you felt about it.
A few months ago, I lost my phone. I realized that it was missing when I got home from school and couldn't find it anywhere. I searched my bag, my pockets, and even retraced my steps to see if I had dropped it somewhere on my way home, but I had no luck finding it. I asked my family members if they had seen it, but they hadn't. I also called my phone from my mom's phone, but it went straight to voicemail. I started to feel worried and frustrated because my phone had all my important contacts, photos, and documents. I decided to use the Find My iPhone app on my iPad to see if I could locate it. Luckily, the app showed that my phone was nearby, so I followed the signal and found it under the couch cushion in the living room. I must have accidentally dropped it there when I was putting my backpack down. I was so relieved to have found my phone, and I felt silly for not checking under the couch cushion sooner. I was also grateful for the Find My iPhone app because it helped me locate my phone quickly. Losing my phone made me realize how important it is to keep track of my belongings and be more careful. It also made me appreciate the convenience and usefulness of technology, such as the Find My iPhone app. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.